My name is Tyler Harrell, and this is what I'm going to be making my wax sculpture out of Matthew McConaughey. I basically chose him because I just really didn't know who else to use. And I started Googling faces, and I thought, well, he had several of the markings that I was going to be using, so I just went ahead and chose him. Okay, the natural facial markings that I noticed were number one, he has the oblique palpebral sulcus. Number two, he has the nasal sulcus. Number three, he has the dimple. Number four, he has the nasolabial fold. And I've drawn arrows to all those where you can kind of see what I'm talking about there. The acquired facial markings. Number one, he has bucofacial sulcus. Two, he has the cords of the neck. Three, he has the inferior palpebral sulcus. Number four, he has the labial sulci. Five, he has the mandibular sulcus. Six, he has the nasolabial sulcus. And then seven, he has the superior palpebral sulcus. And I've drawn, and then I've also drawn arrows to all of those as well. The frontal face shape that I would consider him would be kind of a mix between round and oblong, but I believe it to be more round just from this picture here. And then the profile shape, I found this photo of him looking sideways, and I would consider it to be convex plane because his nose sticks out further than his jaw or his forehead. Thank you.